Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 84 Chevy K20. Pretty cool truck, got a lot of custom touches to it. Custom hood, custom grille, custom wheels and tires, and some custom trim. So here you can see the aftermarket hood. Got a good look to it, and definitely custom paint. You see that gold flake in there? So pretty cool looking truck, one you'll definitely get noticed at. It's got a 2.5 inch rough country lift. New wheels and tires that we put on. There you can see the Nerf bars. Got the rocker chrome, also wheel welding chrome, and then of course the Silverado chrome. Custom seat, original seat, but custom in orange and black. Same with the door panels. Original dash does have a few cracks in it, pretty typical. Got a tilt wheel. Non-air truck. Stereo. There's 4-wheel drive. 4-speed. Got an aftermarket steering wheel. New carpet. So kind of a neat truck. Got the chrome box rails. And the paint, they did a good job. This is pretty straight, as you can see down, a little imperfection in there, but pretty straight truck. Bed liner. So like I said, real presentable. Just one that you can drive and definitely get noticed. You'll be able to always find it in a parking lot. So very nice truck with a lot of cool custom touches. So if you're looking for something unique, this truck definitely will fit it. Did have a what we call baseball cap in the old days on one, so it does have some holes up there in the roof from when it had that on there, which it no longer has. Bumpers are in good shape. Said runs and drives good. I'll have a video of that also. So if you got any question, give me a call, 605-695-7391.